Hello everybody, my name is Clint Hughes, MarineMax Clearwater, and today I'm going to take you on a quick walkthrough on the 210 SPX that we have available. It's a 2023 model, and this particular boat has a 200 Mercury on it, has aft sea deck on the swim platform in the center and the side walkthrough here. This one's equipped with a ski pole. You got a nice aft sun pad here with tons of storage underneath it. As we walk into the cockpit here, you got nice bench seating, seating on port side as well. Dual captain's chairs on this boat, as well as a sports tower with nice shade. This boat is also equipped with an upgraded sound system on it. And then as we come up to the helm here, we got a 9-inch Simrad display with all your controls here, Fusion stereo system, and again it's upgraded stereo system. As we walk towards the bow here, we got a nice storage compartment here on the port side with a glove box, dual cup holders. And we make our way up to the bow here, we got a nice bow seating area with a filler cushion that is removable. And then as we make our way forward, you got the anchor locker that lifts up for easy storage of your anchor and access. That pretty much wraps up the 210 SPX here at MarineMax. It is available, so if you want to do a more detailed walkthrough, come on down and see us. And again, my name is Clint.